Hi guys, today I'm gonna read this book. It's called The Monster at the End of This Book. I'm gonna show you it. What did the cover say? Did that say there will be a monster at the end of this book? It did. Oh, I am so scared of monsters. Shh! Listen, I have an idea. If you do not turn any pages, we will never get to the end of this book. And that is good because there is a monster at the end of this book. So please do not turn the page. You turn the page. Maybe you do not understand. You see, turning pages will bring us to the end of this book, and there's a monster at the end of this book. But this will stop you from turning pages. See, I am tying the pages together so you cannot. Okay, so this one my brother broke it, so I'm gonna go here. There, Grover am nailing this page to the next one so that you will not be able to turn it, and we will not get any closer to the monster at the end of this book. This will stop you from turning pages. A heavy stick, solid, strong brick wall. I would just like to see you try to turn this page. Alright. You see that every time you turn another page, you not only get us closer to the monster at the end of this book, but you made a terrible mess. Did you also know that you are very strong? Oh, I am so scared. Well, look at that. This is the end of this book, and the only one here is me. I lovable 4-year-old Grover. I'm the monster at the end of this book. The end. This is a very dull page. Let us go back to the beginning of this book. Okay, guys, this is the end of my reading book. Okay, so guys, bye. I'm gonna see you in the next video. So bye.